Ah, right. So, who's on the other team?
So glad you asked, Sam. It's my pleasure to bring back... Alec, Fiore, Gabby, Tom, Aiden, Rosa, Lake, Allie, Natalia, Spencer, Anastasia, and somehow Benji.
Ouch, but I still made the cut.
Thank the Benjinators for that. And that's right, fans. You get to compete against Disventure Camp fan favorites.
Oh my god! Tom? Babe, if anything happens, just remember, we agreed he was my hall pass.
Alec? Overrated. Imagine standing a cancer.
Welcome back, everyone. Feel free to size up your competition. How are they looking?
As a man with nothing left to lose, if I can't beat this lot, there's truly no hope for me.
Who's ready for your first immunity challenge?
An immunity challenge already?
I don't know a better way for a team to bond. And with 24 players, you all need to start dropping like flies. So, before we head out, any questions?
What time were you born?
Time to get to the challenge.
This is so surreal. Season 2, I was just a fan competing on my favorite show. Now, I'm an actual favorite.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family. Better together.
コンプリートせよレジェンドライドウォッチをセットハーバータイム集めて変身ライドウォッチ平成仮面ライダーの最強フォームライドウォッチ登場
Introducing new Fruitomic Punch Gushers with a taste that's gonna drive you fruity. It's very, very different. And totally appealing. It's new Fruitomic Punch Gushers, the fruit snack bursting the juicy fruit punch in the middle. So fruity, they'll really turn your head.
Whoa, I'll say.
New Fruitomic Punch Gushers. The blast of fruit punch is gonna drive you totally fruity.
Man, I gotta split.
Small cookies and cream, peanut butter fudge twist.
Whoa, I thought you were on a diet. It's a small. It's only 40 calories.
This woman's false sense of security is brought to you by Nick at Night. Great TV so reliable, you think the whole world works that way. Carl! But it doesn't. One thing you can count on, Nick at Night.
Hold on tight. The most incredible rock and roll adventure ever is here.
Feed him to the shark guns.
Starring Judd Nelson as Hot Rod, Leonard Nimoy as
Galvatron,
and Orson Welles.
I'm a unicorn.
Beyond good, beyond evil, beyond your wildest imagination. Transformers, the movie. Transformers, the movie. Coming to a theater near you this August.
左右合体昇竜陣
Team up with My Little Pony and Pokemon in your Happy Meal and on happystudio.com.
We're here in Sunny Ocean Park with the latest craze. It's Snackies!
Snackies is the all-in-one, go-anywhere snacking solution that's sweeping the nation. Now you can have your drink and your favorite snack all in one hand. Snackies really is the ultimate snacking solution. Now you can have your favorite drink and the snacks you love all in one cup. Snack easy with Snackies. Sealed lid keeps snacks fresh and clean. There's even a cap on the straw, so spills are a thing of the past. Those chip bowl disasters? Never again. Kids mess in the car? With Snackies, it's clean and easy. Perfectly sealed, so no more mess. No dirt, no bugs, and no more sharing the chip bowl with Grossy Gross. It's breakfast on the go. Kids gaming can be a disaster. Snackies controls the mess.
I love it.
Party in a cup?
Dishwasher safe with a lifetime guarantee. Perfect after a workout, at the game, after practice, even on the road. Snackies go everywhere. Kids love it, guys love it, and moms love it because there's less mess. Holds a full 16 ounces and a whole bag of chips. Make it healthy with fruit and a protein shake. How about nuggets and fries and your drink all in one hand? Snackies! It's taking the world by storm. Get yours right now at GetSnackies.com. Just $9.99 in any of these cool colors. But wait, order right now and we'll include a second Snackies free. Buy one Snackies and get a second one free.
Oh, that is a perfect price.
I'm getting 4. Done.
I want one.
Don't wait. Absolutely everyone loves Snackies! Get yours today.
To order Snackies, call 1-800-978-5386. That's 1-800-978-5386. Or go online at GetSnackies.com. Call or click today.
Look up, look down, look all around. To catch these rising stars, look no further than the tracks. Thomas and Friends, Track Stars on DVD and VHS. Sir Topham Hatt gives it 5 stars. With so much to do on the island of Sodor, it's not how you look, how much you can carry, or how fast you can go. What matters most is keeping it all on track.
You are a really useful engine.
Come ride the rails with Sodor's Track Stars. The always useful Thomas, James with his splendid red coat, Emily who never forgets her smile, and Percy who always pitches in. Track Stars on DVD and VHS. Thomas and Friends, making tracks to great destinations.
Is everything ready, Emily?
Oh yeah.
Gather the crew. It's time.
Rangers, can you hear me? It's morphin' time!
Let's do this!
You'll never defeat me!
We need Megazord power now! ブンブントレーラー変形ゲートモードゲートをくぐると瞬間変形立ち上がる合体デラックスブンブンジャーロボ出動ブンブンレオレスキュー変形ブンブンレオブンブンカート連動合体デラックスブンブンレオレスキューブンブンジャーロボと合体ブンブンジャーロボ119
You're up, Lucario!
Powered up and stronger than ever before, Roy, Liko, and their Pokemon have a mega adventure ahead.
Mega Evolve!
They'll journey far and wide,
Pikachu!
facing new challenges,
We're looking for a Rayquaza! The black Rayquaza's mine!
discovering new Pokemon,
What is that?
and encountering mysteries that push them to their limits.
Do you see that pink mist?
But together, when the bond is strong enough, the friendship between a Pokemon and trainer can overcome anything.
You and Meowscarada have gotten a lot stronger! Now, Meowscarada! Figured I'd show you what a real battle looks like! Are you ready for this?
Pokemon Horizon Season 3, now playing on Netflix.
もう卒業って時の流れは早いな。お宝ちゃん卒業したらどうするん？
俺はもちろん大物錬金術師。
卒業式まで時間ないぞ。
俺卒業式泣いちゃうかも。
何が起きた？俺はこの会話を知っている。時間が戻っている。お前、一体何者だ？新しいケミーがいるなら学校内に潜んでいると見て間違いない。ってことは久しぶりのケミー探しだ！
私、一ノ瀬にも負けない錬金術師になりたい。
京香との結婚認めてくれてありがとうな。我永遠を実現する。
仮面ライダーの力が必要なんだ。
一緒に戦おう。今度こそ終わらせる。
ほっぱほっぱ！
力仕事なら私も手伝いましょう。
頑張るぞ！
ないじゃん。あれ見えるじゃん。
Oh, you're here. Now, where's the troubled pipe?
You're not the scared guy anymore.
Yes, I am! People don't change! There's the problem. Hey. It's all right.
Who is this?
Yoshi.
Come on. So some dinosaur just shows up and he's now part of the group. Cool.
We're back with Discovery Family. Better together.
Wait, I know this.
I should hope so. Because for your first challenge, we're bringing back an old favorite. The first challenge ever done on Disventure Camp. Paintball capture the flag. Woo!
Great.
First team to bring the other team's flag back to their side wins. Use paintballs, your bodies, whatever you need. Want to know what you're playing for? Other than immunity. The winning team gets a fully built shelter. Trust me, you'll want this. I'll give you a few minutes to pick positions and then we'll get started.
Alrighty, team, here's the plan. I'll bring a small group with me to take the flag, and rest of you stay here and be on the lookout for any invading fans.
I don't recall voting you leader.
And I don't recall anyone asking for your opinion. Tom, carry on.
Thanks, Anastasia. Gabs, you're with me.
Aye, aye, Capitan Basti.
Don't think I'm letting you go without me. Hey, Lake, want in on this mini Cyan reunion?
How could I say no? But remember, we're here to compete, not just have fun. Rosa, care to join?
Actually, Rosa should guard the flag. She's the most trustworthy. Everyone else, partner up! Go favorites! Break! Without a mission or a goal, I didn't want to return, but Gabby convinced me it's time to let myself just play. This is my comeback.
After my short performance in All-Stars, I wasn't expecting a call to return. But I'm so grateful the fans still want me in. And with Aiden and Rosa, no less.